Hello, welcome to Anjurisa channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a very simple turban hat, but a little bit tricky to make. Stay tuned. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Prepare the fabric. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this turban headband. I don't really know the exact name of this fabric, but it was written as stretch jacket on the product description when I purchased. Some people call this as Liverpool knit fabric, and I just found out another name of this fabric. It was called bullet poly spandex jersey knit fabric. If you can hardly understand my English, you can turn on the subtitle in this video, because I know my English is not very good. I speak Chinese in my daily life. If you are following my previous tutorials, you will know that I always start from the direction of fabric. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 5 inches or 13 centimeters, and the length is twice the head circumference plus 4 inches or 10 centimeters. For example, if the head circumference is 18 inches, the length of this fabric will be 40 inches. If the head circumference is 45 centimeters, the length of this fabric will be 100 centimeters. I will finish the raw edge here. Put the fabric with the wrong side facing us. Fold about 1 centimeter and fold it like this and pin it. Fold about 1 centimeter and pin it. Sew here using a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can try regular zigzag stitch. If possible, you can try zigzag stitch with overlock foot like this. This is the back side of our turban headband, and this is the front of our turban headband. With the front sides together, fold the fabric in half, and I will stitch right in the center here. So when we see from the front, it will look like this. Fold the fabric in half and cut the fabric. With the wrong side facing us, cross the fabric like this and pin here and here. I will sew here and here using a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can use a regular zigzag stitch with overlock foot. So I just searched this one and this one. So when we see from the front of the turban headband, it will look like this. Fold the fabric in half and sew here using straight stitch and then using a serger. Once again, if you don't have a serger, you can skip the serger part, or you can use a regular zigzag stitch with overlock foot. And our turban headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this turban headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. That's my kids. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this turban headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe.